Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Podio, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a new workspace in your Podio? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a new workspace in Podio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different teams or a lot of different projects. And with Podio, you can have a different workspace for each one of those groups or each one of those projects. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Podio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Podio, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a new workspace, here on the top left, you're going to click here, choose a workspace or app. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the workspaces you have. You can see I just have these two. And in order to create a new workspace, you're going to click here, create a workspace. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and name your workspace. So for example, just kind of map it out in your head. If you're running an international food company, maybe you're going to have one team that works on Italian food and another team that works on Chinese food and another team that works on Mexican food. So that way, whoever's on the Chinese food team, they're not going to be able to see what's going on in the Mexican food team unless you invite them. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and name this Chinese food team. Okay, now you get to choose who can have access to this particular workspace. So if this is an executive only workspace, you want to be sure to make that private. However, if you want to make it open, that way your other team members can go ahead and join in on the workspace. For me, I usually leave it private and then I'll invite whichever team members I want into that particular workspace. So I'm going to click on create. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to bring you into the Chinese food team workspace. You can see up here on the top left, the name of the workspace. And by default, it's going to go ahead and start asking you to add in your team members into this workspace. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to close that down. Okay, now you can see we have created a new workspace in our Podio. Now, if we need to switch in between workspaces, we just click up here on the top left. Now you can see our different workspaces right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a new workspace in your Podio, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.